So when the house was built, they put this mana block in with PEX. Really good. I love it. Only thing is I'm all out of things now. So I had to put a T in for the bathroom and stuff. I thought that was going to be all of the water used down here, but I had to put in like a wet sink. So I needed a filter system. So it usually came down here only, over and up into this. So I figured I would put some filters in. This is for sediment, and this is for chlorine and sediment. So that's for taste, that's for to get the crap out. But anyway, shark bite. Never go cheap and not put valves in. You will always thank yourself, because if there's problems, you need to shut off the valves. So I made this change over, and I'm like, man, I really need to put the wet sink in. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm glad I put these valves in because I don't have to mess with the wife. She's always washing her hands and stuff. So shut this off, cut this guy open, slapped it in, and boom, I had a line going over to the wet sink. So easy peasy shark bites. I got a shark bite cutting tool. Stick it in there, make sure you get a nice flat cut. And then you need to clean the end, whichever size that you have. You could see that I use these two a lot, 1/2 inch and 3/4. And there is like a little washer there that you have to, so you stick it in and you spin it around, and you'll see that you will like shave off the end. So you get a nice clean connection for when you stick it into the fitting. And always mark your fittings with a Sharpie so that way you know how far to go in. Okay? Cool. Let's check out the wet sink. So for now, I just zip tied to hold it up. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I just leave it like that. Then I have it coming over here to another little like bathroom valve. It's not going to get any prettier than that. But nice little sink. I didn't need a big one. Looks like something's leaking there. Unless it was me when I was washing my hands. But little sink. I had the sump pump here already, so I just put the, what's it called, an S-trap in. Very simple. Anybody could do it, folks. I also wanted to mention that you want to make sure that nothing leaks. I mean, the shark fittings, I haven't seen one of them leak yet, but that doesn't mean it can't happen. Could be bad. But the biggest thing I found was this guy right here. That one, I put a Teflon tape. Always make sure you put Teflon tape, at least on this guy. Most of the time you do use Teflon tape. So the one that came with this was very crappy. So I just went, Teflon tape is pretty cheap. I just went and got the regular one at Lowe's. And to make sure it was tight, I wrapped it a couple more times. So that way it would seal and it stopped to leak. Try not to kill it when you're tightening because you might kill the plastic. There is a metal insert into this, but still you don't want to kill it. Be easy. These guys here, I didn't have any problems with. And the reason I know is because I put shop towels down and it let me know that something was leaking. So we're good now, man. I'm happy. Peace.